Hello friends, welcome back once again. Up till now we have explored or we have learned how we can set up our Microsoft Teams account, how we can manage that Microsoft Teams account with the help of these facilities or these features, then how we can make use of this activity tab which is at the left hand side of this application, then how we can make use of this chat function in order to have the private chats as well as group chats, then how we can make use of this teams facility or teams feature, and how we can create and manage different teams, and how we can create and manage different channels under different teams, then how we can assign the assignments or how we can assign the quizzes to different set of groups of students that we have studied under, that we have learned under this assignment tab. Then we have explored the calendar tab. Here we have learned how we can schedule a meeting or how we can have the instant meeting right now. Now there is a one more functionality that we are going to explore, that is nothing but the calls. If I will click on the calls, like these options I am getting: speed dial, contacts, history, voicemail, and at the end I am getting a make a call button. Okay, towards the uppermost right hand side here, as per my choice, I can add speed dials, or if I want to create any new group, that I can add. Okay, now let us explore this one by one. In the speed dial, suppose if I want to add any of the speed dial number, I have to search for his name and I can add. Okay, here under speed dial I will get one contact with this name, Ashutosh Khate. Now here what I can do, if I want to add my contacts library, that is also possible here by clicking on this add contact. Here what I can do, I can add different names and I can make a richer contact list. Okay, now similarly history, up till now which calls, that may be audio call, that may be video call, which I have done or that you are going to do, that history will be shown here. Means it is similar to our mobile phone. Here voicemail is there, any voicemail that is received at your end, or any voicemail that you have sent from your end, that information will be shown here. Okay, now let us start with this make a call. I will click on the make a call. Here I have to write the name. Okay, and from drop down I can select that name. Okay, and here I am getting two options. Okay, that is audio call and video call. This is one way to make a call. Or suppose inside this speed dial or inside this contacts, different contacts I have saved. Just I have to go to that contact, and here I am getting different tabs. First tab is nothing but the video call. If I will click on this, easily I can make a video call. If I will click on this call button, easily I can call the audio call. Okay, similarly if I want to have the chat, easily I can have. Similarly if I want to remove him from my speed dial list, easily I can remove. Or if I have added himself in any of the group, that is also possible to remove. Okay, means either from here I can make audio call or video call, or from here also I can make audio call or video call. Suppose I want to create a group. For that, what you need to do, I need to, firstly I have to set the name of the group. I will say demo group, and I have to click on the create button. Okay, here I will get a demo group, and if I will go to the right hand side of that demo group, I am finding three dots. I will click here, and here different options I will get. Add a contact to this group, rename this group, or delete this group. All these options are there. Let us add few contacts in this demo group. Okay, I will add one by one. I have to add. Similarly I will add one more name. Okay, and here I have to click on the add. Now inside this demo group I am having two contacts. Okay, now I can make the audio call or video call. Along with that, if I want to have the chat, or if I want to add it to speed dial, I can add, remove from this group, that is also possible. Okay, Like this I can make use of this call button. Okay, from here also it is possible to make the audio call or video call, or at the start only we have discussed during this chat function. Here what I can do, I can start the chatting. For that what I need to do, either I need to click here, or I will go to contacts, and with whom I want to start my private chatting, to them I will select and I will start, or directly I will go to the symbol which shows pen and paper. I will click there, and here with whom I need to or I want to have that chatting, that person's name I have to select, and to that person or I can start the chatting. Suppose I need to format what message I have written. These many options are there that I can use, and I can format it. If I have to make it as a standard, important, urgent, that is also possible. If I want to upload the files, that is also possible. If I want to add some emoji, GIF, stickers, that is also possible. Here how we can schedule a meeting, that already we have explored. Means from where we can schedule a meeting, I can go to the calendars. From there also, yep, I can go to the calendar, and from this uppermost right corner here also we can schedule a meeting. First option. Second option, I can go to the Teams, I can go to a specific channel, and from there as well I can schedule a meeting. Or finally, if I am having this chatting with that group or with that team, there also I can find here this option, and I can create a meeting. Okay, now you might have understood the functionalities of this calls as well. Now next option is files. Here the number of files which I have shared, or which different participants from different teams with whom I am associated, those all information or that all information will be shown here. Okay, suppose I want to have the data shared in a specific team, that's team name I have to select, and there I will get the different information. The things which we have downloaded previously at the time of last video, we have downloaded the meeting attendance. That meeting attendance is downloaded, that message is shown. If I will click here, that meeting attendance will be opened. Similarly, if I want to add some files from the OneDrive, that is also possible. If I want to create a new folder, that is also possible. If I want to upload few files, that is also possible. If any of the file which is present here, or all the files I need to share with some another group or some another team or channel, that is also possible. Okay, I can click that link and I can share with them. If I want to add the iCloud storage, these many options are there. I can add Dropbox, Box, then I can share Google Drive. Like that, many applications are there. With the help of that, easily I can add the iCloud storage. Okay, now few more options are there. As we are going to be familiar with this app and we will use this application excessively, definitely in future we will use all these applications which are given here for the better understanding of our students. Along with lesser effort, we can give more inputs, and from those inputs the students will get benefited. Okay, this is all from my side. I hope that everybody has understood each and every functionality or each and every feature of this Microsoft Teams. Okay, thank you so much.